motorcycle. And this is the path. And here was our skateboard place. I was going to that place. It was a hut. And we saw people with sky gliding. I was running over sunroof. Did you see that? Did you see it? Okay, so we ran up to the shade and we walked again, going back to the skateboard park, and that's my papa. And he was walking like that because he has an ouchie. And that's us on the motorcycle. Do you see that one? That was us. And we were eating. And my mama was eating sweet corn, and there were so many food.
Remember the days we were young,
and we were riding motorcycle again.
Basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out.
We went to Cloud9, just like that sweet Cloud9. And we were walking in a bridge. It's a boardwalk. And we saw a big wave. Someone was surfing, and he fell off. And he just got there.
Didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more.
We saw brittle stars there. I was watching the brittle stars.
Summer love.
And I saw 3 people, but one of them has master surfing
Didn't
board.
care that we weren't meant to be.
And I lost my slipper and continue with the boardwalk, but tapping on the sides. I'm taking a picture, but Mama said it's a video. That is my papa, and I was running like a turbo.
Remember the days we were young.
And that was me playing sandcastle.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away,
Taking a
hang out the
picture.
whole next day.
And that was me.
Having fun. Summer love, you have no
And that's the
idea what you did
sunset.
to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be.
We went
You
back,
were mine, I was
and
yours.
I
Take me
showed my
back
papa my
once
dancing
more.
over there.
Where did you go?
Begins now. That's
You have
me
no idea what you
dancing.
did to me.
That is closer look. And we were riding motorcycle again. I was wet.
You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go?
We went to eat. And I was so messy in my mouth. And we buy ice cream. And I picked that flavor. And that's me with my swimming teacher. And that's just me trying to do it. Oh.
Shining through. Open up my eyes.
And this is my first try of surfing. I was ducking.
Every moment with you.
And I said my experience was good. And I was just like riding a motorcycle. Buried, my feet would be like chopped off like piranha. So I began to go over, and that's my second try.
I'm happy with you. I'm on top of the world, baby, feeling so brand new. Every little thing you do puts a smile on my face. It's true, I'm happy with you.
Fourth try.
Happy with you.
Paddling so gooey. Final try. Dancing and playing sandcastle, and my mama sitting, and that was my papa climbing, and that was dogs trying to play. And we were eating breakfast. And that was my mama taking a beautiful picture, and that's me drinking my shake. And that was me. And I was walking with Papa, and I was riding motorcycles. And that is me. Well, my Papa is driving a motorcycle. And that's my mama. And we went to a shop. That's our room. And that's how our